How's it going, guys? This is Noah down here at Carns Equipment in Clearfield. Today we got a 2026 Kawasaki Ridge HVAC. These are great machines. We've been selling an absolute ton of them, and a lot of people have been just super happy with them. You can see this one comes with awesome tires on it, big enough to go through the trails, great tread on them, the whole nine there. And you can see this is a full cabbed up unit. So if you look in here, you're going to have really nice Ridge seats, nice dash there, and then also you will have heat and air conditioning along with a couple different storage spots, cup holders, rear view mirror, the whole nine. Like I said, these are awesome machines. We've had a ton of customers get them and they've just been absolutely loving them. This one also has a dump bed on it. Just pull that up there, and right underneath there you can see the awesome inline 4-cylinder engine Kawasaki's been running in these, and again, just been a phenomenal engine on this machine. This one comes in this awesome blue color here, and you just really can't beat these machines. Super smooth, great power, the whole nine. So whenever you're ready to come get one, come see me down at Carns Equipment in Clearfield.